Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Now let us discuss about nucleus. Nucleus as a cell organelle was first described by Robert Brown as earlier as 1831. Later the material of the nucleus stained by the basic dyes was given the name of chromatin by Fleming. The interspace nucleus has highly extended and elaborated nucleoprotein fibers called chromatin. Nuclear matrix and one or two spherical bodies called nucleole. Electronic microscopy has revealed that the nuclear envelope, which consists of two parallel membranes with a space between 10 to 50 nm called the perinuclear space, forms a barrier between the material present inside the nucleus and that of the cytoplasm. The outer membrane usually remains continuous with the endoplasmic reticulum and also bears ribosomes on it. At a number of places, the nuclear envelope is interrupted by minute pores which are formed by the fusion of its two membranes. These nuclear pores are the passages through which movement of RNA and protein molecules takes place in both directions between the nucleus and the cytoplasm. Normally, there is only one nuclear per cell. Variations in the number of nuclei are also frequently observed. Can you recollect names of organisms that have more than one nuclei per cell? Some matured cells even lack nucleus. Example, erythrocytes of many mammals and sieve tube cells of vascular plants. Would you consider these cells as living? The nuclear matrix or nucleoplasm contains nucleoles and chromatin. The nuclei are spherical structure present in nucleoplasm. The content of nucleus is continuous with the rest of nucleoplasm. As it is not a membrane bound structure, it is a site for active ribosomal RNA synthesis. Larger and more numerous nuclei are present in the cells actively carrying out protein synthesis. You may recall that the interphase nucleus has loose and distinct network of nucleoprotein fibers called chromatin. But during different stages of cell division, cells show structured chromosomes in place of the nucleus. Chromatin contains DNA and some basic proteins called histones, some non-histones proteins and also RNA. A single human cell has approximately 2-meter long thread of DNA distributed among its 46th chromosomes. You will study the details of DNA packaging in the form of chromosomes in the class 12. Every chromosome essentially has a primary constriction or the centriole on the sides of which disc shaped structure called kinetochores are present. Centromere holds two chromates of a chromosome. Based on the position of the centromere, the chromosomes can be classified into four types. The metacentric chromosomes has in the middle centromere forming two equal arms of the chromosome. The submetacentric chromosome has centromere slightly away from the middle of the chromosome, resulting into one shorter arm and one longer arm. In case of acrocentric chromosome, the centromere is situated close to its end, forming one extremely short and one very long arm. Whereas the telocentric chromosome has a terminal centromere. Sometimes a few chromosomes have non-staining secondary constrictions at a constant location. It gives the appearance of a small fragment called the satellite. Thank you.